In this video, we shall look at the levels of measurement. The levels of measurement are the nominal level of measurement, the ordinal level of measurement, the interval level of measurement, and the ratio level of measurement. We shall also look at illustrations and examples to help us have a better understanding of these levels of measurement. To begin with, let us compare the nominal and the ordinal levels of measurement. In the nominal level of measurement, data lying in the nominal level of measurement have categories only. On the other hand, on the ordinal level of measurement, data lying in the ordinal level of measurement have categories and hierarchy only. The hierarchy is not quantifiable or it's not measurable. Let us look at an example of data in the nominal level of measurement. The first example is survey responses. Survey responses such as yes, no, or undecided or other. Another example is gender, that is sex, either male, female, or other. Another example is political party, will be Democratic or Republican or other. The other is athletes numbers, or the number on the athletes jerseys. They really have only category, but they do not have any quantifiable meaning. They just to categorize or to identify the athletes. Let us look at the examples in the ordinal level of measurement. Data in the ordinal level of measurement includes course grades such as A, B, C, D, or F. Second example is the hierarchy or ranking in military, that is sergeant, corporal, lieutenant, and so on, and any other form of ranking that you might think of. Such ranks, or of let's say best school in a certain state, or the number of media houses being ranked from best to worst, or businesses being ranked, or airports or experiences. Any of these rankings lie in the ordinal level of measurement, since they have categories and hierarchy only. Let us look at the interval and ratio levels of measurement. Data in the interval level of measurement have categories, hierarchy, and the difference in the ranks is measurable. Data, they have no natural starting point. Data in the ratio level of measurement have categories, hierarchy, difference in ranks is measurable, and they have a natural starting point or a zero starting point. Anything with units of measurement lies in this level of measurement for data. Let's look at examples of data in the interval level of measurement. First example is temperature. We see that temperature has the difference in temperature is meaningful. There is hierarchy in temperature with higher temperatures and low temperatures, but temperature has no natural starting point, since really at 0 degrees Celsius or 0 Fahrenheit doesn't really imply the lack of heat energy. So they do not have a zero, natural zero starting point. Another example is years. We really do not have 0 years, but we do have the difference in years that makes sense and are measurable. We have higher numbered years and lower numbered years, or earlier years and later years. Let us look at examples of data in the ratio level of measurement. Data may include measurements such as inches, feet, that is measurement of length or measurement of weight in pounds, in kilograms, in grams, and so on. Measurement of speed in miles per hour, kilometers per hour, measurements of liters, that is the measurement of volume, measurement of currency in money, maybe in US dollars or British pound or the euro, and so on. Anything with units of measurement that has a zero starting points, a natural starting point. For example, measurement. We have zero measurements when something does not exist, and the measurement increases with height or with length. We have zero weight where something is non-existent, and the weight increases with mass. And we have zero speed when something is not moving at all, it's stationary. And we have 0 liters or zero volume when nothing doesn't exist naturally. Let us look at illustrations beginning with the nominal level for survey responses. These are the illustrations for survey responses: gender, political party, and soccer jersey numbers. Let us look at illustrations of data in the ordinal level of measurement. In the ordinal level of measurement, we can see school grades, with A being the highest grade and F being the lowest grade, or military ranks from the generals to the sergeants, the corporals, and then the lieutenants. The generals being probably the highest, or the commander-in-chiefs being the highest in the rank, and the lieutenants being the lowest in the rank, and so on. Let us look at illustrations in the interval level of measurement. We have temperature, we have years, and pH as well. Yeah, let us look at illustrations of data in the ratio level of measurement. We have measurement of length or height in feet or meters, or whichever unit of measurement of length you would like to use. Such data lies in the ratio level of measurement. Then we have speed and velocity in miles per hour, meters per second, and so on. We have weight in kilograms, in pounds, and so on. And this is a summary table that will help you summarize and understand the data, and also be able to categorize it in any of these 4 categories. If data has categories only, it lies in the nominal level, and the ordinal level, data has category and hierarchy. When data lies in the interval level, it has category, or they have category, hierarchy, and the differences in the data are meaningful. And finally, data in the ratio level of measurement have categories, they have hierarchy or ranking, the differences between the data are meaningful, and they have a zero natural starting point. Thank you. I hope this video is helpful. Kindly subscribe. and help us to continue making these videos.